Good evening. Welcome to my cooking show. This evening we're going to show you how to cook danger tuna. The ingredients you will need are 1 tin of responsibly sourced tuna chunks in sunflower oil, 3 sheets of toilet paper. I would recommend clean toilet paper from a fresh roll, 1 tin opener. Swiss Army knife gives you the full effect. This sort of tin opener that cuts around the edge of the tin doesn't really work very well because you need the lip. This sort of tin opener doesn't really work very well because it's rubbish. And I broke the other tin opener on a particularly recalcitrant tin. Finally, you will need 1 lighter. Step 1. Open your tin. Yes, I'm aware there are world records for this, and I'm aware I'm not very good at it. Now, get your toilet paper and just get it nicely soaked in the oil. This is just acting as a wick basically, and it won't actually burn. Well, the corners will, but the main bit of it won't. There we go. Now we wait. This is an ideal opportunity to go and cook the rest of your dinner. On a similar vein, you can use Pringles as firelighters. They burn really well. It's unusual for you to have the corners burn completely out before the oil's gone down. Possibly it's a bit too windy today. I've never done it with kitchen paper before. First time for everything. That's better. Right, I'm bored now and the potatoes are ready. So I think we will call it a day there. Actually, there's still loads of oil left in this that can still burn off. Tasty, tasty tuna. That'll do for today's dinner. Leave that going for a bit longer. I have to say, I think the small tins work better. There you go, hot smoked tuna.